Now let's write another quote, never give up. If you want, you can see this has been written by a normal gel pen. I'm just giving a little curve to this. You can make it according to yourself. If you want to make it straight, feel free to make it straight. Never. So let's do all the downward strokes. Shading part. This we go up, again coming down. Up and down. Up. Again we are going up here and down here. Now you can leave it here or you can take the stroke further, it's up to you. Let's write give up. Am I writing up also with this? So written like this, you can make it as you want. See, we went up and we came down here, so this will be a downward stroke. You will just follow how you have made. So we have written never give up. Practice more words, more sentences, so that you will have it in your memory which words to use where.